Ngaphambi nje kokuhlala kokuqala kwePhalamende lesikhombisa, lamaqembu ayisithupha azibiza ngeProgressive Caucus adalule ukuthi awagculisekile ngendlela iANC esingathe ngayo izingxoxo. Yize uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa amemezela ukuthi kuzokwakhiwa uhulumeni wobumbano ozohlanganisa wonke amaqembu. Athi ithimba ebelihola izingxoxo eqenjini leANC alikaze lihlangane na wonke amaqembu.
The ANC is misleading the nation when it's saying it is a GNU. It is not a government of national unity, because if it is a government of national unity, all parties would have been equally consulted. There would have been equal understanding to all of the parties.
Lamaqembu athi asazimisela ukubamba izingxoxo neANC ngaphansi kwembandela ethi ke iqembu leDA lingabi ingxenye kahulumeni wobambiswano.
Our offer still stands that we can constitute parliament and elect presiding officers and also elect a president, as long as we exclude these other forces that represents colonialism and apartheid.
If they were really progressive and respect the programs of Africans, they would definitely give us an ear, because there is no way we can reverse our gains by voting with the DA and others.
Kusenjalo umholi weDA uJohn Steenhuisen ngemuva kokufungiswa njengelungu lePhalamende utshela bezindaba ukuthi iqembu lakhe lisamile ekutheni angeke libe ingxenye kahulumeni ohlanganisa iqembu leEFF neMK Party.
If you look at the manifestos of the EFF and the MK Party, they do not share the constitutional values and the basic values and principles that we believe are important to get the country moving forward. If the ANC chose to go into a government with them, well, we'd be very happy to sit on the opposition benches and perform an opposition role.